Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix Show 10 stuck on Amazon screen. If your Echo Show 10 is stuck on the Amazon logo, you could try a power cycle, unplug for 10 seconds or plug it back in. Now here's what you'll need to do is unplug the Echo Show 10 from the power outlet, wait for at least 10 seconds and then plug it back in. Then what next you want to do is press and hold the mute and volume down button simultaneously on the Echo Show 10. Then you want to continue holding the button for 5 to 20 seconds until you see the Amazon logo appears. Then follow the on-screen instruction to set up the device. Then you could also try saying Alexa check for software update to see if there is any update available. The other thing you would also do is make sure you're using an original power adapter and a good outlet. Likewise, if the issue still persists on, then you simply want to contact Amazon support for further assistance and see that fixes your issue or not. So these are a couple of things you could try. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.